Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Again, make sure you're keeping your hands washed and all your countertops, anything that you touch, doorknobs, all that. Hopefully we won't be stuck in the house much longer, guys. Hopefully this'll go over soon. But anyways, I do have some spoilers to show y'all for Ipsy Spring 2020. Now, so these are spoilers coming to the Standard, Plus, and also the Ultimate bag. So guys, grab a snack because there's quite a few products. And if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss any spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which were the confirmed spoilers for the BoxyCharm May Premium and Base Box. Thank you so much, Jennifer Gonzalez. Jennifer says, so excited for these products. Well, Jennifer, honey, I'm excited for you to get them, honey, and I really hope you enjoy everything you get. And I really appreciate you coming by and watching my video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are going to be spoilers for Ipsy for the spring of 2020. And a couple of the spoilers that I've seen in these standard spoilers right here are in the May bag. So for the Plus and Ultimate, there might be a couple of those items that will be in the May bag. So let's get started, y'all. So of course, we're going to get started with standard. So first thing up is the Tarte CH2O Lip Gloss in the shade Hang 10. Next up is the KVD Beauty Setting Powder. And then we have the Malin & Goats Grapefruit Face Cleanser. Next up is the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. And then we have the Sunday Riley UFO Ultra Clarifying Face Oil. And then we have the Ofra Highlight in the shade Soho. And then last but certainly not least, and this is again for standard, this is the First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Now guys, let's get started on the Plus bag. First up is the Kate Somersville KX Active Concentrate Ceramides and Omega Serum. Next up is the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen SPF 30. This is a gel. Next up is the Ciate London Marbled Metals Eyeshadows. And there's either shade Entwine or the shade Wicked. Next up is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. And then we have the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Next up is the Super Goop Shimmer Shade Illuminating Eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow's got an SPF 30, y'all. Next up is the Tarte Tardius Lash Paint Mascara in the shade Black. And then we have the Huda Beauty. This is a beauty sponge, y'all. I kind of like that. And then last for Plus, but certainly not least, is the Flesh. This is the Flesh to Flesh Highlighting Powder, and there's a few different shades. There's Boost, Jump, Lift, Rise, Promise, and last is Certain. Now guys, let's look at the Ultimate Spring spoilers. First up is the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam Eyeshadow Palette. Next up is the Smashbox Cosmetics Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Ablaze. And then next is the Laura Geller Urban Garden Palette in Central Park, Central Park. Next up is Sunday Riley, the CEO Vitamin C Plus E Cleansing Oil. And then we have the Il Makiage Waterproof Lip Liner in the shade Vintage. Next up is the Derma Medicine Weightless Face Moisturizer. And then again we see this Sunday Riley UFO Ultra Clarifying Face Oil. Next up is the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. And then the Laura Geller Spackle Mist. And then last but certainly not least is that Uoma Badass MF in Danielle and Misty. So guys, again, this is for spring 2020. And again, there might be a few of these in the May bags. So, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Morgan Jarrell. I hope I said that right. Anyways, Morgan says, I do love highlighters, but I'm not loving the sticks. Yeah, Morgan, everybody's preference is different, honey. You know, I love some of the highlighter sticks, and some of them, they just They're too heavy, you know what I mean? But I hope you do enjoy everything that you do get in your BoxyCharm, honey, and I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people for no reason at all. But if you will, check that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.